I would say upcoming.
Yes.
Number one, of course you will be an upcoming DJ for your first 5 years. On Ukok's Tavern, we can't deny the fact that it has been for years one of Eastern Cape's biggest entertainment venues.
Yes.
So asinalo valo ne asinalo valo, we just need to be sure galo event isizayenza, because there needs to be a breakthrough event that will redeem esa standard okanye la gama likakhulu. To be quite honest, I'm really struggling. I am really struggling. But at the same time, I'm not forcing myself, because I'm not gonna downgrade myself okanye ndizama uzinyakathisa for ngafuneki khona and stuff. To be quite honest, mabazibone. Mabazibone.
So it kills nala mindset enokokuba I wanna play music. The time you get booked, unomculo omninzi ongakawusebenzisi.
That can be an MC because khona and not as and if una off thing ngathi I'm here to replace.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
No, not no. No simple na. Do you feel
yeah, check again. I am doing what, but Lando, I feel like for him now you're checking this question.
Welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Tango.
Hey, ladies and gents, boys and girls, you know who it is. It is Jack the MC, Jack the host, Jack the presenter, but most importantly, Jack your number one guy when it comes to entertainment. And welcome back to another episode of Culture Convo podcast under the Culture Convo Network. Yes, it is Sunday again. Spinoza Fika, we are here on your strengths. And today I'm always about celebrating okanye just showcasing, highlighting artists artists that abantu that they do not put much highlight on. And now diniphathele artist esuka from the Western Cape, eKapa. Butom, please introduce yourself.
Thank you so much, Jack, and Ngosi, for hosting me. Igama lam ndinguLuthando Zanikani mna. Apha kwi-industry, I'm known as Albai the DJ. I'm a deep and soulful house DJ. And njengoba ichilo Jack, I'm born and raised up at Timbaza, but I have built a brand yam in the Western Cape, which is Cape Town, as well as Bloemfontein in the Free State.
Yes.
So yeah, that's me.
Yes, welcome, but welcome. And also before I get to your questions, I just want to say shout out to a subscribers. It is the 530 something. I'm not 530, yes. Thank you to the subscribers. Keep on subscribing, liking, and sharing comments to yonke into yethu. And phumile glimpse and glam. Just to highlight phumile glimpse and glam. But you did mention about into of being out by the DJ. Can you please take me all ogama? Kokweni bakuthile wathi nguluthando. When I was an like gama etongo out by the DJ. What does out by mean? Diamond DJ. What does out by mean? I'm very interested.
Well, I was expecting that question, because everyone that I come across, they always concerned about what is it like, where does Albai the DJ come from? So basically Albai has no meaning, first of all. But growing up as out here selokishini, because I grew up at Soweto. I grew up with likes of Seso Nambanga, Zuko Swadbo, Oliolo Magwe. Those are the people enkhule nabo, abakhulu wakum. So ekukhuleni kwethu I was like ndandimhlophe kakhulu ngokwebala. And they used to call me Albi, yabo bathi albino. Yabo, because nani orange hair and that kind of skin, yabo. So by the time ndiqalisa uthando mculo, and I'm deciding that I'm going to be a DJ, I wanted something very creative and something very unique. Not bandi oluthando DJ or DJ Lu baxhaphakile bona, yabo.
Yes.
Then I wanted something unique. And then I decided, you know what, man, let me take lendo iyinhlekisa and put it into something, yabo. And then create ke ngola gama lithi Albai. Yeah. And then by that time ke ngoku bengekabikho all the DJ kakhulu bekho DJ ban. And then I thought, okay, I don't want to be DJ Albai, I want to be Albai the DJ.
Yes. No, it makes so much sense, because even eskin khala sakho usamhlophe nangoku, that means la Kapa and yabona being around ulwandle ikuphathe kahle. So I would like everyone has different story in terms of how they started music, how they fell in love with music. Now with you, I just want to know abantu abaninzi that DJing amapiano, three step, and all the stuff. But when you chose deep house, soulful music, so now and also so and before this question, I want to ask: is Mr. Soulful music is a slogan sakho okanye it's a matter of just something that goes along with your brand?
Oh, okay. Mr. Music for the Soul.
Oh,
You mean
yes,
that?
yes.
Yes. It is a slogan, some or a nickname that I would give myself in industry because I'm running a mixtape series.
Yes.
The Music for the Soul. For example, on the fifth mixtape right now, I haven't released a mixtape in a while, but I was consistently each and every month releasing one mixtape. So, mixtapes zam, I name them after ngegama eli-1, which is mango-eda ke ngoku volume 2, volume 3, and the end goal is to eventually reach boma 100, volume 100, like njengolo hlobo.
Yeah.
So yeah, isukela phala nto ka-Mr. Music for the Soul.
Yes, yeah, please take us through how did you actually realize ukuthi actually I love deep deep music, I love soulful music, and actually I can DJ them, I can mix them, and actually i-career yakho man, can you tell me about the career yakho, who helped you njalo njalo?
Okay, that's a very beautiful question because abanye they're not aware uba ivele njani into yami yobu-DJ.
Yes.
Tools, I'm growing up at Timbaza. They know me for my local brand and playing just soccer, which is a sport.
Yeah.
So i-career yam iqale kancinci. I think it was around 2008.
Yeah.
So ndine brother enayo, and not only uSpesihle, which is my sister, because abantu bazi yena.
Yeah.
From the father's side, we have brother yethu noSihle, which is half Sotho and half Xhosa. So the guy grew up in Bloemfontein. He was born and raised in Bloemfontein, and he was also a DJ.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the guy used to play with the likes of Prince KB or DJ Mahuta by the time they were still upcoming and stuff. So when he kept visiting Tina noSihle, which is our family upper Golicala,
Yes.
he introduced me to this thing, which is a virtual DJ. That was back then, a laptop. Hey, I fell in love with this.
Yeah.
And they used to play house, and he was friends up with Black Ivor.
Yeah.
Black Ivor is the one that knows my brother very well. I got inspired, and then I kept pushing Londo Leyo again. With the likes of Olu Toqolo, Otawa, or Olukona Chongitiza. Those are the guys that I started with. Sasi DJ song at that time. And then we wanted to go forward with it.
Yes.
We were still young that time. But like enough, some of the staff members of Kwakoku, they knew us, so they allowed us sometimes kubone singene sinyonyobe singene. So on Sundays we used to have some sessions, practices with I'm still grateful for umjita kwakuthiwa ngu DJ Pastor Adam.
Yeah.
Wayehlala lapha ko11 I think okwabasePayi. So we used to observe kuye, sibukele kuye xa edlalayo asifundise 1 or 2 tricks yabo bakwenziwa njani as to ba uDJ nge system.
Yes.
So that's how it started, and then that time ke ngisendise high school, it was around 2013 that time, 2012 2013, and bendingumuntu ke mina ke osithanda isikolo. I wasn't the one or abantu aba groove akude kuse even on Sundays.
Yeah.
I used to groove on Saturdays, but Sundays lungisa uniform yami and polish ihlangu zami, do my homeworks, get ready for the next morning, which is Monday.
Yes.
Then I decided whilst in this Richard Vaga, let me just take a pause. Zamane ndihoya nje ezogigana zimbalwa. Back then sasinazo igigi thina zeparty whereby we'll just connect i-laptop. We don't need much of an equipment. Just connect the laptop with hi-fi speakers. Iyaphuma sound ngolo hlobo yabo. So focus ngolo hlobo. And then 2017, that was my first year at tertiary, and I moved to a Free State. Kwi varsity yam. So when I got to Free State, that is where ke ngokuthando lweDeep House lwavela khona, because during 2012 and 2016 ibilixesha kakhulu le commercial. If usakhumbula Heavy K, Point 5 and all those kind of artists, yabo.
Yes,
so I was also exposed to Londo leyo noqala kwami uDJ ndaqala ngeGqom, yabo. Saqala ngexesha leGqom iLondo, but when I got to Bloemfontein, my mind shifted. My interest started being different now, yabo. Ndayithanda iDeep House. Likes of Siga Wameropa, Night Essay, uyabona.
Yeah.
Ndaqhelana nabo ke ngoku. And then the following year, which is 2018, when I saw that, okay, now I am a bit comfortable, at least sending 1 year in this city, I started pushing, I started moving. And from there, man, I never stopped. I never stopped. And then I told myself, you know what? This is the kind of music that suits me and that I would like to play as well. Yeah.
Yes. So like some of the DJs do create their own music. Do you feel like do you have any music that you have created on your own, Okanye? You're not a producer, you're a DJ.
For now, I'm not
For
a
now.
producer.
For now,
yes.
yes.
For now.
For now.
For now.
Yes.
It's very vital to have your own songs.
Yes.
I won't lie. And there's one thing about Abangayitapeli or some other DJs in the industry. You get bookings, you get well known, and you get well respected as a DJ when you are a producer.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
For example, it's like a simple example. Okabza, when they get booked for Ingoma
Zabo.
Zabo.
Yes.
Because they wanna sing along to those songs. They love those songs. They don't care much about the creativity or whatever. So for now, I'm not a producer, but I've got some people who are producers.
Yes.
And that are being inspired kakhulu ndim. For example, I've got 4 or 5 songs under my name, but andikazi release.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, then ndisenzelwe ngabantu just by as an appreciation, but no man, listen, nansi ngoma ndiyenze nje special for you.
For when?
Yeah, and all of them are from Cape Town. Big shout out to all those producers.
Big shout out to Cape Town. Yeah. Okay, so Bude, you did mention that it's something of the time when you were upcoming. Now, if you say upcoming, when does an artist stop being an upcoming artist and then other artist? What characters what characteristics do we see kumuntu? I said, you know what, Ujeg is not an upcoming podcaster, he's an podcaster. DJ Alby the DJ is not an upcoming DJ, he is a DJ. How do we differentiate on it? Because I feel like there's some confusion personally when it comes to London.
Not only to you, Check, and once again, that's a very good question.
Yes.
That's a very, very, very good question. So it depends on one's perspective.
Yeah.
Ne? For example, in different ways. Ne? Umzekelo, mandithi izinto ezibalayo as to not being an upcoming anymore, or I would say upcoming.
Yes.
Number one, of course you will be an upcoming DJ for your first 5 years. That's what I would say. Or the first 3 years to 5 years.
Yes.
Yabo. Okwesibini, xa sisithi awuyo upcoming, umzekelo, if usithetha ngeDimbaza, if ngoku as Alby the DJ ndilapha eDimbaza, xa kubuzwa ngubani Alby the DJ okanye do you know Alby the DJ, funeka abantu bangakroli intloko okanye they have to go on the internet to search.
Yes.
Then bazobona uba ngubani Alby the DJ. Funeka igama lakho laziwe. So that's a brand being umzekelo, masenze umzekelo, one of clothing brands respectayo, local brands, Privileged Lifestyle.
Yeah.
Big shout out to Pablo mkhulu wam.
Yes.
Privileged Lifestyle, I say your upcoming local clothing brand.
Yeah.
Yabo, because you get Privileged Lifestyle in Eastern Cape, in Western Cape. Now I saw abantu abanxiba Privileged Lifestyle and I was like smiling inside. I was like, yeah, nalikas.
Yeah.
Yabo. But I still remember 5 years back, 5 years back or 7 years back, if I may say, Privileged Lifestyle was an upcoming clothing brand. So it was being point in Zamuyibeka into yobana funeka igama lakho laziwe, not only kwindawo ohlala kuyo okanye kwisekile yakho, funeka laziwe, and also it has to be respected. You have to be at least known by the artists ezinkulu, like the celebrities, whether you have collaborated with them, whether you have played alongside them, and also in numbers.
Yeah.
As no, we can't deny the fact that
Social media.
Yeah, social media, power is social media, it says a lot.
Yes.
Even if when you can be creative, ubenswimpu, waziwe Dimbaza, but nakwezindawo xa uzawubhukwa ngokuba jonga in-numbers on the socials, uyabo?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, ndakuva but because nyani I was confused because there, for example, at Dimbaza, there are a lot of DJs. I'm sure now since you came back you've noticed a lot, but there are a lot of DJs and but DJ kwindawo ngendawo. Speaking about Dimbaza, I want us to go to collaboration yakho with Coke Staven. Can you tell me about your collaboration? How did it come about? And ithini nje into yala collaboration?
Okay, so for now, I won't dwell much on that
Yes.
because there are still some issues that we're still battling.
Yes.
But as we all know, Ukok's Tavern, we can't deny the fact that it has been for years one of Eastern Cape's biggest entertainment venues.
Yes.
But ke ngoku as ixesha livaya le nto besigqibo ithetha lathi uba izinto ziyatshintsha, i-marketing and all that.
Yeah.
So they approached me, I think it was the second week after ndibuyile apha eDimbaza. They told me uba kwenzeka njani, and as well as myself observing on the first week uba no man akusagcwali akusekho bantu yonke loo way leyo uyabo.
Yeah.
And then the owner sat down with me and wabuza singenza njani singathini. I did put in some ideas, but I'm not gonna dwell much on that. It's because of season esiphuma kuyo okanye season endifike ngayo, it is not much of a good season.
Yeah.
So the venue as itself ayikwazi ukhupha imali because it's not making money kakhulu.
Yeah.
Esiba sibona uba indawo egcwalayo kukwathawu nezinye indawo.
Yes.
So with all due respect, I won't be able to dwell much on it, but
No problem.
we're gonna see upper go spring and also kusama
Kusama,
uba
how
sakwenza
it
kanjani.
yes.
There are some ideas, I don't wanna lie. Izawuphinda ivuke laa ndawo. I'm gonna work on that as well as my team. We're gonna work on that.
Yes. Yeah, okay. Speaking about le nto kugcwala kwaThau. Sorry. Zininzi taverns apha eDimbaza. Zininzi indawo whereby for entertainment and zonke ezo zinto ezinjalo, but we see that uba kugcwala kwaThau. Do you like when a personal as a DJ okanye as and I do not want to say opposition. But as that is working on any tavern, any entertainment sport, don't you feel pressure when it comes to hosting events? Because now you already see, you know what, last week people, last week people. For example, I take it to Blue House. In Blue House, it is very difficult to actually host event because they can host event and then people just pull up kwa Thau. You get so when don't you feel any pressure? Can you just come? Okay, yes. Let's spin some.
Hey, we guess nayo Jack Longcokoloyo. We had that conversation with
Yes.
Umeda and with Uluyanda.
Yeah.
The guys that I usually work with Payana kwa Coke.
Kwa Coke.
So yeah, is about koni pressure definitely because kaloku the competitors to be quite honest, like in
Yes.
the business term.
Of course.
So asinalo valo ne asinalo valo, we just need to be sure ngalo event esizawenza because there needs to be a breakthrough event that will redeem
Yes.
esa standard okanye la gama lika Coke.
Coke.
Uyabo.
Yeah.
So we're working on that and andizokwazi ukhupha ke
Well, yes, of
secrets
course,
yabo. But
of course.
we are observing and Okwatha, all the stuff, I won't mention names, but all the people who are behind in movement Okwatha, they are doing a very, very good job. I don't want to lie.
Yes.
As much as the place gets congested, but everyone wants to be there.
Yeah.
Yabo. Everywhere, everything is on top. Is sound, it's on point. As event bazenzayo, the prices are ridiculous as well. So yeah, big ups to them as well.
Big ups to Uthau. Yes, and also I want us Ngoku to actually speak about your relationship with the local artist. Okay, your local DJs ever since you came back. Now I'm sure it is difficult to actually join a group with that it's a Sebumbene and stuff like that. So how are you managing Londo? How is that going for you?
That's another great question, Braham. That's another great question. And to be quite honest, I'm really struggling.
Yeah.
I am really struggling.
Yeah.
Because in Tinglonu different and first of all, I think I'm the only one that is strictly playing it deep house. Other DJs do compromise, they play piano and everything.
Yeah.
Uyabo. So in terms of each genre endidlalayo, it's difficult. And abanye abantu, you know, most abantu will always see you as lo muntu bambona ku socials, forgetting that you are a human being.
Of course.
Forgetting that bandi nguluthando andizoyibiza ke nickname endaziva ngayo apha. Okay,
Yeah.
mandiyibiza, it doesn't matter because some still call me by it. Abanye balibele ba no ngumadlebe lona yabona sikhula sonke ndi out grand.
Yeah.
Out efikelela kumuntu wonke yabo. So now inye pressure bengendawo dilishana nayo, but I'm still managing ukhopha nayo. Lanto ba people see me as a celebrity okanye people see me as lo muntu lowo since hayi usuke Cape Town, DJ wase Renzi, kwa tin, just by playing those big establishments that most are looking forward to playing to okanye lesser standard so ba Cape Town.
Yeah.
Kanti to be quite honest, Jen, I'm a very very down to earth person. I'm a very humble person. Umntu wonke, umntu ochomana nomntu wonke, udibana nomntu wonke, and ke ngoku they are putting me or pushing me aside, whereas I wanna join.
Yeah.
For example, I'm not gonna lie. There's a few artists or DJs endisabumbene nazo. Not saying that abanye ndine beef nabo, but it's just that sit distant. And I'm trying all my best. Ukuba ndi squeeze in because ndinguye lo mntu banibona ndingubo. So every time baya ndiyazama uzibonisa ba ndingulo mntu ningamlindelanga ba ulolu hlobo okanye ndingulo mntu nani mazi ngoko usenguye nangoku. But at the same time I'm not forcing myself because I'm not gonna downgrade myself okanye ndizama uzinyakathisa for ngafuneki khona and stuff.
Yes, I know Ndakuva. And also speaking about DJs that you collab with up at Dimbaza, last weekend you did do it party with Utina. Which is how did that come about?
Uspicy has always been one guy that I was close with, and I really like Uspicy.
Yes.
I've been in contact with Uspicy. Esenza tours zakhe Cape Town. He used to tell me even xa zayo Western Cape, bra, I'm gonna pull up this site, yabo. Ndiyacela man, if there's anything you can pull up okanye into noyihlanganisa, igig onoyihlanganisa, please let's communicate undazise and introduce me to the gents yonke loo nto leyo, yabo. So as well as ukubuya kwam, yabo, he was aware, and ndamcelela number any movement, anything ayenzayo, he should count me in, yabo. So he did approach me naye wandicelela uba like he got an approach yoba angayenza some event pakuthi kwakhokho. I was like, okay, that's cool. And he told me that, no, I want you to be included as well, Abo. I need your details, and please quickly send me your picture, yabo, so that ndizokwenza post, but wandixelela zonke details bangedate ethile, we will be having this, yabo. And I'm really looking forward ukusebenza ne firm uthina lowo, yabo. There are some things esithetha nazo esibhizi nazo as we speak. But kuthiwa ungayi-expose ingekenzeki.
Yes. No, Ndakuva, but that is very good to hear. Let's talk about young gigs at Cape Town, okanye Bloemfontein. I'm not quite sure, but as I was doing my research, I did notice you are having there's some connection between you and Munati Wetu. I think can you tell me about your relationship? I feel like there are a few events like a hoster with you included. Can you please take me through London?
Elondo yenzile research yakho. Ukobululile. Yeah. So injalo, but even now, Umunati, it's actually Munati Sundays.
Yes.
And then it just changes ke ngoku isihloko, the title depending on the day that it is.
Yes.
So Umunati Sundays, big shout out to umngani wami. His name is Uchali. It's a pity I forgot his name yakhe, but he's originally from up in Mdantsane.
Okay.
He stays in Delft. Umunati Sundays is a concept esiyiqale kancinci. There's a car wash called Delft Ketchup Chisanyama and Car Wash. It's in Delft in Cape Town. So ndihlonipha kakhulu ke mna ke Delft because ekufike kwami eKapa nandihlala kwindawo ekuthiwa kuseLuzuko, which is in Philippi East close to iMandalay. So the eyona ndawo eyayikufutshane kum okanye indawo endaqala ndaya kuyo besides iLuzuko lendihlala kuyo, iLuzuko, it's more like time housing. Zii-suburbs, there's not even one lounge, one tavern, there's nothing. So ndahlala naqona eke mna ke ndikhulele elokishini man, yabo. Ingase ndihambe ndiyogrover. And then ndadibana namachita aseDelft. That's where I met ke ngoku oCharlie, or Isla Worldwide. There's a producer, also a DJ, also a graphic designer called to Isla Worldwide. If you go through profiles, you would notice kukho ilogo endibhalwe Worldwide Lifestyle, kanye Worldwide Records. So graphic designer yam yokuqala yayingu Isla. He used to do all those posters uzibona izimunati and yonke lanto leyana. So it's basically a team. It's not just one guy, but oyena mntu in charge walanto lena nguCharlie. Yes. And also there's posters up. But can you actually take me through Ilenduka? I'm not quite sure, but the pools are Thursdays. Yes.
Yes. A news cafe.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes.
Yes. So you saw quite a lot of posters at News Cafe as well as the
Yes.
Puza Thursdays.
Yeah.
Oh, Tigela mntakwethu, I'm so blessed.
Yeah.
I'm so blessed. I don't want to lie. Cape Town, ndifike Cape Town 2021. I focused on ekhangelela umculo and also internship eyona nto bendiyiyele yabo, which is iskela nomsebenzi yabo. So kla 2021 I can't focus on music. Music kumu I always do it, and then xa ndibone ngathi no, I need to focus on ezinye izinto, I always put it on pause because it will always be part of my life, and ndiyayazi ba yonke into inexesha layo yabo. Awusoze ube late for anything yabo. So in 2022, whilst ndihlala pha eLuzuko in these suburbs, fortunate enough, the gents that I used to stay with ngamaRhotman amadala.
Yeah.
So one of them used to work with DJ Bara. DJ Bara. He just left, I think 2 days ago. So he always comes back and forth. He's a resident DJ at Sugar Lounge in Nyanga.
Yes.
So lucky enough, njengesihleli siyasela kupholiwe namaRhotman kudlala ezi mixtapes zam. That 2021 ngoyena nyaka benifocus kuyo ukwenza ke music for the soul.
Yeah.
That's when I started mixtapes as music for the soul. No, it wasn't the year I started doing music for the soul, but then consistent in releasing mixtapes payana.
Yes.
Yabo. And then Budmandisi, big shout out to that hot man. Ndingumntu onombulelo kakhulu mna yabo. So each and every time on Mbuzo, it reminds me of umntu onplagileyo to get to that position.
Yeah.
So njengesihleli noMandisi, uMandisi nena, he just loves umculo. And then he's saying that uspana nenye out. I think they worked in a restaurant. Le out le nibizwa uDJ emsebenzini, and indeed he is a DJ.
Yes.
So kwenzeka ke ngokuba mandidityaniswe nale out, and then le out khange hesitate yavele yathi fethu dlala i-tip house, that ewe Hotman yathi okay sizawuya eBlowback, that news cafe oyibonayo pha is eBlowback in a part of the Western Cape, Cape Town, ekuthiwa kuseBlowback, close to Parklands. Is a very nice place.
Yes, but
Iphambi kolwandle. So kwathiwa mandiye kulo Puza Thursday for my debut yabo.
yes.
Ukusukela phayana I met uSira, DJ Sira, which was the main host ke ngokuyeza Puza Thursdays. Ubara yena happened to be a guy or ochomene no Sira okanye wazana no Sira, and then he asked uSira, basira either this guy man intswembu le out lena intswembu kakhulu thumelela uSira mixtape yam yabo. I always record 2-hour mixtapes like for you to enjoy kakuhle nje uyabo ingapheli semnandi. So the rest was history, blah. I kept on coming. Imagine, it was actually my, let me think. It was my second venue in News Cafe to play at Cape Town.
Yeah.
And to come and think of it, in News Cafe is nationwide. You get in News Cafe, you get in East London, I think you get it in Bloemfontein, you get it everywhere. But I was privileged enough uba kwindawo zokuqala ndadlala kuzo in Cape Town kwakuse News Cafe.
Yes.
So that is how Puza Thursdays aphuma ngalo.
Yes. And also I feel like when about if ever I can actually ask you event ingandi, because I did notice that you've done so much work on that on the Western Cape side. Now I want to know how's the entertainment industry work kolaqala as compared to Kolkata. Do you feel like things are slow Kolkata okanye how do you feel about entertainment lapha Eastern Cape?
Brawam, I won't lie to you, Jack. This side it's very slow.
Yeah.
Kuslow kakhulu. First of all, in terms of the entertainment industry, you have to be considerate of space.
Yes.
So we can't deny the fact that inkulu entertainment industry.
Yes.
Like there's a lot of establishments, there's a lot of DJs, there's a lot of promoters.
Yes.
So and also ke ngoku there will be some izinto ezingatshintshiyo. It's difficult hate amongst DJs, jealousy okanye ungasebenzisani okanye ukumonelana, it will always be there, like kwinto yonke, it's part of industry. But ke ngoku kolacala the main advantage is that asifocusanga kutha ukho iBlue House nomancane qha. We're looking at for example mandenza umzekelo yabona iDimbaza
Yes.
iDimbaza let's say ikhayelitsha nje iyodwa we haven't mentioned inyanga igugu lethu intontoni manithi iDimbaza nje ikhayelitsha iyodwa so ekhayelitsha we're looking at plus minus 35 to 40 establishments and njengesajonge ezo nangu usokha nawe kusezayivula let's say une launch next month yendawo entsha yabo
Yeah.
so that's how it is so even if mna nawe singabhifa apha ekhayelitsha okanye apha like ko time kwi lounge kwalapha ko time
Yes.
sisekhona
Yes,
esesowethu
yeah, that you can actually go kuzo.
exactly as much as ndibuild li brand yami sazi brand yami if I'm introducing myself okay sharp ndidibana nabo ne promoters event organizers or the owner they book me that side ndiqhubekeka ndispread ke once ndidlale kula ndawo yi1 you perform very well you meet people you network spread ngolo hlobo so that's the main advantage yabo
Yeah.
asikaye town asikaye koma long street
Yeah.
we're just talking about nje townships they big
Yeah. That means Nyanya Dimbaza has to actually do better.
yes they have to
They have to do better. Because I feel like it's the most thing for when it comes to artists or DJ to actually perform kakuhle apha eDimbaza okanye just to expand the work. It's a matter of ukumonelana.
Yeah.
And actually lando of gatekeep.
through
Because now nangoku the own a Blue House. And ndimfuna uAlba the DJ abe Blue House so akakwazi udlala. Uba manje ndimfuna
Yeah.
I feel like that's the main that's made the main launch thing. So when I watch what's your take when it comes to our DJs that are gatekeepers?
Brother, to be quite honest, mabazibone.
Yeah.
Mabazibone. I don't have much to say because you can't awuzukwazi ulungisa umuntu wonke, awuzukwazi utshintsha wonke umuntu.
Yeah.
But each and everything in a consequence yayo.
Yes.
Yabo. Yonke into eyenzekayo okanye oyenzayo ineziphumela zayo.
Yeah.
And obviously if you're not doing a good thing, it won't result in a good result.
Yes.
Yabo. Because as inyanisile xa usitsho ba it starts like that. Umzekelo if wonke lo muntu lapha endlini wonke lo muntu lapha kule podcast ne sistaff sakwapitso manenza umzekelo ngopitso and then one of one wenu andivani naye it will be difficult for me to get a booking kulanda
Of course.
you understand
Yes.
and ke ngoku it gets very difficult xa ungumuntu ofana nami ujeke because mina andicingi mina yabo I feel like yonke into if it's meant to happen it will happen yabo if kufuneka ndibhukiwe kule ndawo yakho ndizawubhukwa yabo
Yes.
so I'm not gonna beg into yoba silungise relationship yethu even though ingalungiseki for me just to get that single booking
Yeah.
yabo but ke ngoku iyayikhabatha nyani industry lawe that thing of gatekeeping iyayikhabatha industry you would notice okanye you would see that some other time uyafika as an artist kwi-event okanye kwi-establishment everyone is excited to see you people haven't seen you in a while people are big followers of i-brand yakho
Yeah.
and they asked you hayi bo bram udlala nini okanye kutheni ungakudlali up it gets difficult uphendula lo mibuzo yabo
Yeah.
and abantu they wanna see what they follow abona okanye what they love
Yeah.
so yeah bro
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Miss B, the sweetest and finest honeybee island, sweetest one in the beehive. I'm here with my
Suka.
Otoku. Otokukazi. I'm Alpha Osinovuyo Mercy Nshuzi, the problematic mom, the only lady that got plenty of ginger and spice.
Ginger, you know?
And ginger and spice.
I love it.
And we got some pretty exciting news for you guys. So take it away, my babe.
Betunani. Jemasi Culture Convo Network. We're dealing strictly with interviews and also and the juice. We have a twist. If you promote your business, yako,
Yeah.
kindly hit us on Facebook. Pofu. Wait, we've got some details on the screen.
Of course.
We'll be there to help you out. Love yours.
And don't forget to pray, believe, and live, guys.
Yes, we are back and we have an unexpected guest. Abanye bintu bengamlindelanga but nobhuti bengamlindelanga. But I knew a very special guest host Mr. Spy Yamkela Holland. Spice. Everyone.
Thank you, my
Danko,
guy.
Minister.
Thank you, sir.
Please introduce yourself. Even those in the introduce, just do your formal introductions.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your groovy DJ, Mr. Potty himself, Mr. History himself, the Minister of Enjoyment.
Of enjoyment. Dango is there. So, Spice, ungena sisiphethe indaba eshushu, indaba of gatekeepers. Uyabona and ubhuti did state eyakhe icala about how does he feel about abantu gatekeeper and how it actually ruins the game. Okay, it just blocks the progress from happening, especially upper locally, because he did mention it is not more likely that when you got a Cape, needs taverns, needs in now that you can. I forgot taverns, but entertainment spaces that you can actually produce. Can you just showcase your craft? So I just want to from you how does gatekeepers make you feel? How do you feel about gatekeepers?
To be quite honest, it kills the industry.
Yeah.
It kills the potential of a person. Anoizise endaweni okanye nevalue that lo mntu anoizise endaweni in a way, whereas remember I'm a DJ,
yes,
right, and then I'm a producer, but we'll just focus kwicala lobu DJ.
Yes.
Yabo indaba yo gatekeeper, it goes to a point whereas we might be playing umculo soyithu mara style of play is not the same.
Yes.
Song selection will never be the same. Now, it kills London. Those who actually follow, those who actually support, those who actually love the brand of Spicy, they do not have access. Yeah, you're here. And then it gets to a point where sometimes
yes,
because they get to ask you about when are you playing here, but you do not have a date yet.
Yeah.
Deep down you know, but it's not a matter of I'm not dated to actually come and play. There are weekends is free. There are a weekend whereas you can just call low promoter alone to just actually allow you to come and do a surprise set.
Yeah.
Now, kukho abantu who actually gatekeep the whole process. Kubanzima to actually for you to do that.
Yeah.
Because you get umculo. We buy umculo. You get to have the exclusives of Eluqonba. Yabona le set nayo namhlanje. Okanye just the music that I have in mind.
yes.
Ingase ndiphume
Yodlala.
ndiyodlala. So it kills nala mindset enokokuba I wanna play music. The time you get booked, unomculo omninzi ongakawusebenzisi. You have a lot of music that you haven't yet played. Now it gets to be difficult, but where do I actually choose? But ndifuna udlala le set in this style okanye londo. Yebo?
Yeah.
Yep.
No, I'm not personally. I feel like I'm actually happy that I have two DJs up at Betalingwam, because now if the questions are building up, as the questions are building up.
But Jackie, ndiyakubetha ngeminye nathi. Ukwi entertainment space.
Yeah.
Qala iyafana ingathi ngu DJ.
Yes.
Yabo?
Yes.
Because you are an MC, you are the person that abantu beqonda okay, I've been listening to music.
Yeah.
Yabo? I've been actually singing along to umculo, but khona la ndishotayo.
Shotayo.
Yane?
Yeah.
That's where you actually come in. Ngezawe zakho. Now, with the question ubusoyibuzile about gatekeepers, and tell me when,
Yes.
how do you actually feel? Because I can guarantee that not zonke ezinawufuna kuzo abantu obusoba approachile mhlambi bakhona bathi hayi you do not have the access okanye just based on kweligama ba gatekeeper wena, how do you actually feel? How does it align with wena ne brand yakho?
Yeah. Uyabona nje ngokuwena hey bandana phela samsebenzi.
Good question, Spicy.
But also I feel like there are places in understandayo kuba okay kwecala kophatha ohlobo kwecala kophatha ohlobo. For example, me coming in the game of being an MC, I knew ukuthi Blue House co-operator uDaestio.
Okay.
Udaestio MC wapha. So now I know it's going to be tricky if ever I want to actually join
MC.
in.
Okay.
Because when ndithetha ukuthi earlier, if umzekelo ndifika i-team say selected, it is very hard to actually join the team. Now if you can like level ethi people used to see me kwaKhoka.
Okay.
People know me go and shout out to Utatera for that.
Okay.
For actually putting me in Coke. Oh, no Spice, of course, for putting me in Coke. Now, they fig Apple House. People know me from Coke. Apple House, I can't be an MC.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I can't be an MC because Konota is and London was close and the phone London off being at I'm here to replace.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
instead of working with him, I respect the traffic and stuff like that. But there are nights whereby there are people who are but Jackie, iPhone unyuka nini.
Okay.
Young told unyuka nini that iPhone the new vibe. No, asimva. Now it is difficult because I'm not booked.
Okay.
It is not my place to play. It is not my role to play. But for the love of the music, for the love of your vibe, there are nice way by the film. Come, you know what? Man, call the station.
Call the station.
Give us a part. Hey, and
So you said something along line with it. Ba unyuka nini asimva. That's what you said. So mna nzokwenza follow up question on Glendo. It's fine. It's fine. But andithi ipolisa la ngumlomo wakho.
Yes.
Andithi but ke not ngendlela embi.
Of course.
Ane when you get to be told into enjalo by abantu.
Yeah.
Number one, how do you actually feel?
Number one for Ubra because she has done so much good work in the game.
In the industry.
So now I feel villain Kombe. I can't learn it. I do not want to replace. I feel no replace him. But I didn't feel and Kombe and understand about. But also I feel like hey, actually they know if I
Recognize your
they
vibe.
recognize my vibe. That means there's the difference. I am about with the step by one. The same thing by inside. So no
Okay. I had no problem. Silibele question. It's fine. You can actually carry on.
Thank you.
Oh no. Colin. What I wanted to ask, Ane.
Yes.
Now you've seen Abandu. There are people who actually abanye abantu ke bazoyenza lono just to actually build the ego yako, just to build your confidence and stuff. Ane. Those are the people who actually fell in love with Ujek.
Of course.
Those are the people that actually follow Ujek. Bakhona abanye that actually follow Nota SQ. Ane sometimes ke uzofumana umuntu oyi-1 esithi unithanda no2 ngendlela efanayo of which now between the two of you guys I cannot choose.
Yes.
Yabo. Mara ke ngoku how do you actually feel kula moment whereas you are noticed? Yabo. Uthuhleli hlam, let's say you get to actually decide that I can put an agents. Mawuphuma, you're not there to actually MC, but you encounter abantu bebuzba. Jack, today aren't you actually giving us the services out?
Yeah.
At that moment, at that time, how do you actually feel?
I feel blessed, man, because the issues with the work that I put in is being recognized.
Okay.
And actually, it's people actually appreciate it. I think nobody you work and people appreciate it because now if ever I MC,
yes.
You see, so now it's a difficult thing, but and actually recognize Lord. I feel blessed, honestly speaking.
Okay. I no problem. Those are my questions. No.
Thank you, my lord. Yes. So, Budwang, I have Oput with the step and then Oput with Deep House.
Yes.
Now I want you guys to actually take me for example, when I put now you find ungena a groove. You find ulendoka uloyiso edlala a Deep House. You find who's Deep House.
Yes, sometimes.
But I feel like mostly old school Mapiano.
Yeah, he now focuses on amapiano strictly. That's how I know. But ungumntu Deep House kusukela kudala,
Yes.
Yes. But Dala, I think he used to play based on Ndolendo following Yam.
Yes.
The time when I was actually following Bonga DJ before actually becoming a Spice.
Yes.
Yeah.
I saw that he was once an Afro House DJ before becoming a piano DJ.
Yes, that's true.
Yes.
That's one. Speaking of Black Ivory, that's one gentleman I always respect. That I've respected Yongit Klashaeli. hence nam ndisitsho mna ngexesha lam ndiqala umdiscoverisha when I mentioned the fact that he was friends with ubrother wam omdala,
Yes.
the one that lives in the Free State. Wayedlala i-deep house ngelaa xesha, like they were focusing on kwakwi-tribal mosikudala neentoni.
Okay.
He used to play that as well, and he has always been at his best kwi-genre ayidlalayo.
Yeah.
Just like now, I always like kwi-set zakhe, he always stands out for me. Like every time, Pumandi amazing with sets as well.
Yeah.
He played a dope set as well on. It was on Sunday.
Yeah.
Watau. One of the dopest sets as a piano in Kendazi. So big shout out to him.
Yeah, good, yeah. So now my question is, how do you feel ke ngoku wena uyangena with le USB yakho uphethe the playlist yakho uyangena ke ngoku endaweni you find DJ that plays i-deep house okanye mandithi mna as uJack ndingu-DJ I ufika ndikhalisa u-3 step but as I am playing my mix my mix.
Your set.
Yes, my set. Thank you.
Yindi mix.
Yes.
Yakokhisa le dithethayo ungazibeka uDJ. So wena into noyenza pha. Ufika nje ufake mixtape ka bengathi yadlala. Hey Jack.
Yes, but I'm playing my set. As I am playing along, you find out man no man ndifaka ne deep house apha kule set yam. Ndifaka negqom, ndifaka nomaskandi, ndifaka all different genres. How does that make you feel when I DJ?
So as a person who's going to be playing next,
Yes.
right after you.
Yes.
To be quite honest, check Londo ihamba ngokuzazi kwakho and your confidence.
Yes.
And being or knowing what you can do.
Yeah.
Umzekelo mina noba kungadlala uChristos, uDJ Christos, uDJ Vinita with all due respect koma hotman kakhulu, but still mina ngila muntu ungenavalo. I trust it I trust the selection. So it then goes with the selection. When I'm doing that before now, you can mix all these type of genres okanye ube better like ngezingoma zitrendayo umzekelo like TikTok songs, so mixing each and every genre. I would still show up, step up payana, then something different, massive foot, and still sticking to that house I'm districting.
Yeah. And the spice when to the question what is your answer?
I would tell it like nzavele ndongezelele kule no bithethwa nguBra that it goes with your song selection, it goes with you having to engage with the crowd. Yabo, you can play a heavy set before mna mara ndiyaxelela the minute ndingena okanye like it goes with lando ba do you actually trust yourself? Can you actually engage with the crowd? Sometimes you can play a heavy set but ndibe ndingu-DJ omileyo who doesn't actually do anything. Yabo, the nonchalant andithethi antini, I'm just standing still. Yabo, akho vibe akho noni. And then nalando ke abantu ndiyathanda mina ukuthi ke they are being controlled by a driver yabo. A driver yabo ngu-DJ. Good DJ who actually takes you to places. Yabo, good DJ uzakwenza uqonda ba yes le ngoma iyandicingisa. The time ndihamba namajita ngo-20 banibani. Yes, yabo. So it goes with laa nto enokokuba how deep do you actually trust yourself? Because into yo-engage a crowd is very important. You can actually play deep house nango-12 ebusuku. If your crowd wants to follow and if you want your crowd to actually follow, you know what you have to do. Same applies with kwezinye genres, same applies everywhere. Just being a DJ, you just need to be actually confident in yourself, fully confident food. But ungabi confident ngomlomo nje qha I am confident on myself, but xa kusithiwa nansi set nansi crowd, you cannot actually please the crowd.
Take control.
No, dope answer. And also ndifuna now I'm there are different worlds. I feel like the Pakad Gomik Michel because there's a Rodman that has been in the game, and then there's Spice, the new generation.
Minister.
Now I want you to throw the question to how do you feel about the new generation getting in the game? Because I feel like Rodman Amaninzi, Londo Yawothusa, Londo that it makes them become gatekeepers. Because of now they see new blood coming up, They're come, okay, you know what, how do you feel on as a frontman?
To be quite honest, iba njalo nyani gatekeeping eninzi iqalela phayana because ngoku sizawuza thina with the pride yoba hayi I have these years ndisegaming ndinexesha elidala okanye ndaqala now it's not about that.
Yes.
As ba uSpice mentionile some couple of key facts that will keep you consistent in being a dope DJ, which is engagement, your crowd, your song selection, those things as not maintain as seasonal. You have to keep those consistent in order for a brand to be consistent, and you will keep getting bookings, and you'll be considered as a great dope DJ. You understand? So the new school, they're doing so well.
Yes.
He knows for a fact NDT, I look up to him, the new generation, because he's done so much so well. That I won't mention here on live.
Yes.
But because of a new generation, Jack, they have a skill, say delivery, service delivery, as well as market engagement.
Yes.
Which is socials, networking, yonke land. That's the key thing. Umzekelo siyasheka thina yabo. Umzekelo ndiyazazi ke mina ke for him. Umzekelo if you can look at my profile, profile yam ayikho as heavy as what my brand weighs. Yabo, because andinaye umuntu that is taking care okanye that is taking over socials zam, and it's me not having time to update and look up to socials zam. I just posted recently over I've been distant for quite some time, which is in a group which is it House Nets. Let's not post into, but soon enough we'll be back on the socials because we're working on that. Because socials as a SARS, we just depending on okay sharp play areas event organizers establishment of which that's not enough. Now if I'm approaching someone new, someone from Johannesburg, for a matter of fact, we're just gonna have that conversation, whether it's a phone call or messages through email. But then that person will go through my profiles and try to see kubani nyando all by the DJ. Who are these deep house nets?
Yes.
So big ups to a new generation. They are taking over my bra. And school and now I'm up on my toes. I know for a fact content number one. Network and social media engagement is very important.
Very important, yes.
I'm just saying to Alba in 2008 so that's it.
So Mr. Spice, how do you feel about do you feel like a threat to a man? No, not no. Do you feel?
I check.
Okay, no. Let me change the question. Since doesn't that one was a PR start?
No, ingxaki.
Yes.
Yabo.
Ingxaki.
I like andifuna ukuthi I am. Yabo.
Yes.
Andifuna ukuthi andiyo.
No, okay.
Because of
must individual.
I think that would make sense like that.
But kalo kwale still it goes with landaba into nokokuba it step a new wave. And then I came delivering it step number one. And then as the whole generation, it depends that it depends in the form of technology, because that's the only easy example that I can use. Now there will be a new DJ ozafika and replace.
Yes.
It's fine. Injalo lendo akazok replace in a form whereas you're not actually getting bookings anymore. You're not actually doing what, but Lando, I feel like for him now check this question. Ihamba ne technology, movement, wave.
Yeah, it goes with time.
Because of Zauti, kwaito. There are people who still love kwaito, but there's a very few of them. Ipiano took over. And then a large number of people went with Ipiano. Kufike i3 step. Utukutela no Chessworks were actually introduced onto the industry.
Yeah.
We actually fell with them. We followed the wave.
Yeah.
Yabo. So it goes with having to introduce a wave enja. That's a technology. But what do you bring into enja that will actually attract a band?
Yeah.
Because uyakwazi to focus epa mara as soon as ever leno focus ya change.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't actually say threat kwama Grootman okanye kwabantu abadala okanye the old generation.
Yes.
It's them having to keep up with a new
Through
generation.
Through that.
Yabo.
They have to keep up.
Yeah.
No, I feel like this episode is episode 40 if I'm not mistaken. Ne?
Well,
Hence,
congratulations.
yes.
Sorry to interrupt you. Congratulations. Yabona nto benithetha ba iyaqhuba xa ku episode 40.
Yeah, we're pushing.
That's
And we're having lights. We're having lights. We have lights. Yes.
Okay.
And I'm having two amazing DJs up on studio with me. So I feel like Londo, it's something. I have to be actually. I just have to actually speak out and then and let people know. I'm just blessed, man. I'm just feeling blessed. It's part of those things. Now, Mr. Spice. Yeah, we're speaking about this about how the focus is changing when it comes to establishments and entertainment venues that are Pitimbazi. Do you feel like as time goes, okay, do you feel like as a DJ, is it important for you to actually be no man? This is what I want to do. Do you feel like it is something that you have to actually put in mind to be your character?
No. Tim.
Yeah.
La ndiyazenzekela leya.
Yeah.
Not ngolo hlobo. People will actually praise you aba who actually follow, who actually love ibrand yakho.
Yes.
Yabo. Where you will get praises that okay, now ufikile Spice. Okanye ufikile uJack. Okanye Deep House Nets is fikile.
Yes.
Yabo. That's when you actually first respected yourself, respected the crowd, and respected everyone who actually following. Yabo. Just because of abantu benza chances into kokuba hayi Spicy wanna party, Spicy wanna do this. Do not get over yourself.
Yeah.
People build your brand. Same applies with when you put in the work, we follow you. Now when xa uzawufika usikhwele enhloko uthi xa ungena eDimbaza ufuna ubonakala, but that person the time when you are actually growing up and grinding,
Yeah.
ufuna isibani ufika ucela ba Grootman unjani ndikrend my name don't yabo, but that type of a guy na xa ufikile bhuti ukrend
the same respect.
exactly. Yabo. So you cannot like get over yourself kulanda into yokuba angoko nifikile man bonakala. No, the brand will actually grow. You will grow.
Yeah.
You will have numbers. If you are most lucky,
Yeah.
you will eventually hit the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the day that actually happens, be uJack out here.
Yeah.
Be uJack, uyeke fame. Don't let anything distract you endleleni. Just be the person that you actually are. Uthobeke uthini ube ngumuntu opushayo cha.
Yeah. Yeah. It's definitely an episode. So, Budwam, I want you to take me to a point whereby you felt, no, now I am doing this. Because I feel like there's a certain point that you reach in life, okanye in your career, that you feel, hey, no, this is the Albite the DJ. This is Albite the DJ that I wanted, okanye that I imagined in my mind. Okay, you know what? I'm actually doing this. I'm doing this. What is that point? Have you reached that point yet?
Definitely ifikile lo point leyo, and kule journey yethu akukho lula at all, Jack.
Yes.
You can ask each and every DJ, because nathi sineminqweno, sine challenges go through zona as well. As much as it looks easy seeing us on the platform performing, everyone is dancing, everyone is just crazy. Yes. About your set or you whatever. So kumu ifike, remember when I told you that ifike kwami Kapa 2021 I focused on only releasing in mixtapes.
Yes.
And adlala in any establishment. If ndlalile, I think it was one or two.
Yes.
But the main focus was on okanye apho ngiqale khona, it was 2022. So during that time in 2021, you know, Bralando kuthiwa manifesta and having that confidence namaphupha uyiphuphe into uyinqwenele into bengathi kuyaxoko iyenzeka la way. I do have a post ngizaze ndikubonise kwi-archives zami Facebook. Dabhala phansi each and every big establishment yase Cape Town endifuna udlala kuyo whilst ndingeka focus ekudlaleni ngala 2021. By the end of 2022, which is the following year, it was one or two places engazange ndidlale kuzo. Yabo. So lando iqale as iphupha yonke into ndazibhala phansi ndathi Sugar Lounge, ndathi GQ Lounge eGugulethu, ndathi Rens Cape Town, ndathi kwa AC. Zonke zandawo zinkulu ndabiza indawo ezikoma Long Street. You know what, zaye zenzeka zonke zonto. So nathi zikhona izinto ezisikhuthazayo yabo. Mikhona iminqweno esinayo yabo. In the ixhomekeke kuwe ke ngoku uba ulandelela kanjani.
Yes.
And there's still still
to come.
Yeah.
Yes. Spice, I do believe we did have an interview up on network before, and you did mention it. But now I do believe there's a lot that has happened again. There's some growth that has happened after that interview, because that was very long. That was a long time ago. Episode 2.
Episode 2. Wow.
Episode
3. Wow. It's 40.
And then a gatekeeper. And then a gatekeeper. I really podcast.
Yes. So tell me, Mister, from that episode until today, what is that one thing you felt? You know what? I do have a one talk that happened, but that happened. Yeah, now I am doing this. This is the spices that I want.
Okay. I attempt to be quite honest.
Yes.
There's a lot that I actually want to achieve.
Yes.
I am still on the grind. Ilendo sometimes kunzima nolala ebusuku because I'm actually busy thinking how to actually get to clear point, how to actually achieve this with the risks, with the advantages, with the disadvantages.
Yeah.
But with the things that I have achieved so far, I'm quite happy.
Yeah.
I'm really happy to a point where as the only person who made me realize that no man I've actually worked was the artist Uloyiso.
Yeah.
We were having a conversation, just sitting, like it was the day after a activation.
Yeah.
So recently,
Yeah.
And then we were just sitting and talking, and then he was like, "Man, no." Just out of nowhere, like he just changed a topic, and then he was like, "I'll tell you really worked.
Yeah.
You have really put in the work so far."
Yeah.
And one of the things as Nenza and born, but no man, I've really worked. Having to be booked on another province. Yes. Since
Yeah.
I have networks, I have numbers, I know who to call, I know who to do what. But you need to actually, as a person, sometimes like okay, now we'll call and safe. Yes, but anytime the phone and phone booking, I can just call the side.
Yeah.
Divide, focus on another thing. Build your craft slowly but surely.
Yeah.
I have my supporters at Cape Town. I have my supporters at Bloemfontein at this point. I know that if I were to say Ndiyodlala Cape Town, ndiyayazi ba bakhona abantu abazawuthi now he's here, masamenze noma man. Same applies with the Bloemfontein.
Yeah.
But ke ngoku andikabi happy. I'm not satisfied.
Yeah.
I want more. Ndifuna South Africa. I want the world.
Yeah.
Ndifuna ukuthi ndiphuma nje phandle ungene mall. Kuthiwe nangu spice. Yabo. I want that. I need to be able to actually give back to naku community with in terms of my work, with in terms of everything. Yabo. Iye in visa kaBhlungu nalana nokuba when an upcoming DJ approach esithi ubone ndizodlala kwindawo ethile ubawela udlala aba nimxelele ba I'm not a resident here, but you can actually speak with ubani. Yabo. So I want to be that pressing Jack, man.
Yeah, the go.
That, yabo,
Yeah.
unodlala endaweni ethile, I take my phone, ndiyafona qha. Yabo, yes.
I feel like speaking to Landu Chatai, I feel like a guy or a man that has dreams never stops dreaming. And actually, I think few years back, ukuthi abantu kube ngijonga bathi hey ndiyabawela bangoJack, but they just don't know kanye ukuthi I am not the Jack endimfunayo mna personally. Yes. So there's always more, there's always more until you actually sit ungene engcwabeni.
Yes.
That's when the dreams ziphela ngakhona. That's when the work ends ngakhona. I just want to actually say imisebenzi nobabini bhuti bam. It's visible. And actually it is noticeable. And you are one of abantu that singathi bayitimbaza bayiphakamisa, because I'm always on the topic or on the subject of recreating the history, writing the history, because now we are changing the history. Bayitimbaza, it is not a dumping place, but a place of dreams and a place of talents, creativity, and life. So I just want to say thank you so much, Kunombetu, for joining us. I know I can speak a lot. I think I 2 hours later. But thank you so much, Putwam, for actually joining us. And actually, I really do hope and pray, Okuti, you find your feet, Kulkala. You've done so much work in Western Cape, Cape Town as a Bloemfontein. Now you are in State Cape, home ground here. No matter but your time ulapa shall it be successful be productive. Yes.
And also thank you so much for hosting me. And I think I've said this a while back, even before coming back to the Eastern Cape. I'm a big fan of your podcast. I'm a big fan of Wongum Sebenzi Womuntu Lapha. A big shout out to you all. And now I'm the podcast. It's all about building yourself or your brand and also giving back.
Yes.
Hopefully we'll be the ones. This is a sponsor giving out. There's still a lot now where we still have big dreams as well for the podcast, and hopefully we will collaborate.
Yes.
And we will make each and every dream come through. Sibambisane siphucule netalent yaseTimbaza sikwazi uyiphuhlisa.
Yes.
And yes, indeed, singathetha kudekuse but kakhulu ngalesi sithethile.
Yes, Spice, any last words to abantu bakulandelayo, your family, your loved ones, intombi yakho or something? Okay.
To viewers, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for actually subscribing onto a podcast. Thank you so much for actually watching and actually taking time off your busy schedules and actually finding time to actually watch. The 31st of October.
Oh yes.
2026.
Oh yes.
I'm doing my second annual birthday celebration.
Yes.
The theme is all white. Early bird tickets have officially sold out.
All white.
Wait. It will be actually taking place Ezwilicha Elihlombe Traders. I have already announced the first sponsor, which is Hennessy. Be part of history.
Yeah.
Come and make history.
Hennessy.
And you'll get to see and get to witness ezinye sponsor. Remember, you having to buy a ticket. You are not just buying a ticket to actually just attend the event. You are contributing to something much bigger.
Yes.
Something you'll get to see in November. And in the Nitembisa. Once again, this is your Gravity J, Mr. Poet himself, Mr. History himself, the Minister
of Enjoyment.
Danko.
Yes. Guys, thank you so much, and pray you live and live. Good night.
Good night.
Yeah, speaking.